guys, this is Raquel with Paints and Glitter, and I'm coming to you with a very quick project share. I wanted to show you what I've used on this project. These are the Verso dies from Tonic, and they're called Surprise Bouquet. And they come like this, with one large die that cuts out an envelope, a smaller square die that allows you to cut a card, and then all of these different inserts that you can use to cut within the card or to add the layers behind whatever you've cut out. So I'm going to show you what I've made with these. I'm super excited with how they turned out. I did share pictures on social media, on Facebook and Instagram, but here's one of the envelopes, and as you can see, they do cut out of the base, and what I've done here is I've faced it so that it's on the bottom part of the envelope, and then I made the square cards, but what I did was I layered them with vellum, and then I used another die that I have that actually cuts 5 inches wide, but I used part of it here, and then the little phrase with love. I've used my Nouveau glitter pens from Tonic on the edges in gold, and then on the inside I've layered, added the little bee die cut that I also colored with Nouveau markers, and then I placed the rest of that die there. And I absolutely love the way they turned out. I've made a couple of other ones. This one has the same design, and there's that vellum again, and it makes like a little window, and then look at how pretty this one is. So this one cuts like a little lattice, and I've made this one a little bit different because I used a different Tonic die that I have. And what I did was I cut out the flowers that you see here using those dies out of the same vellum, only I colored them with the Nouveau markers to give them a little shine, and then added gems to the center. And then as you see this lattice here, let me show you what I did with that. I actually cut that same, using that same die, what cut out of the center, I actually used it as the design on the card, and then I topped it off with washi tape and added little gold gems, and there's that little bee again that I absolutely love. So it gave it a very unique look using the same dies, as you can see there. So that was the little set that I made with that. And I also made another card. Now this one's using a different set, and that is this card here. And I really am happy with how that one turned out also. And it comes with the little leaves, the birds, and all the shapes that you see here. This was actually an image just from the paper collection that I've been using that I really like. And then I happen to have a sticker to match, so I added it there. And all I did was just fussy cut around that by layering it. And then I added the little banner and another little sticker down here that also matched, and just layered it like so. So I'm super happy with how that one came out. And then Sandy from Decorate Your Life shared some cards that a young lady had shown, and I'm going to try to find her video and link it below. She made hers larger than this, but they were Z-fold cards that were square cards in the Z-fold style. And I used this paper collection from Graphic 45 that I had in my stash for a while and hadn't touched it. And it had fall colors, so I decided to use them in here, and I'm super happy with how this turned out. I also used these square dies from Bo Bunny that you see here, and that allowed me to create a lot of layers. And then I added this little bee die, and that opens like so. And I'm super happy with how this entire layout turned out, because I was able to use the dies, the stamps from the collection, and I also used the embossing folder here, and I even stamped it back there. If you peek through, you'll see the rest of the stamping, just for added detail. And if you turn it around, this was what I really loved about her card, was that it came, she designed it with a belly band in the back to add the sentiment, and that really just drew me to that card. So I wanted to give it a try, and I'm so happy that I did. So thank you, Sandy, for sharing that, because it allowed me to find that, and I hadn't done a Z-fold card in a long time. So I'm really happy with how it turned out. As you can see, I did emboss that side there also, and added the bee in the back in gold. And for this, I actually used a really beautiful stamp set that's called Be Happy. And this is from Dove Craft. And sometimes I get to grab their magazines and that sort of thing because I like the designs. And this one came with all of the stamps you see here. The only ones that I didn't use on the card actually was this one here. But I used everything else. Here's another one. Let's see here. Yes, I made 2 of them. So here's another one. And it's the same card. I just made it a tiny bit different. So yeah, this one didn't have the embossing on the back. That's about it. So I hope you guys have liked this project share. If you have any questions for me, please let me know. My name's Raquel again at paintsandglitter@gmail.com. And you can find me on Facebook as Encourage Arts. I hope that you can be inspired and be blessed. Have a great day. Bye-bye.